Hello there and welcome to another video on the Sepa channel. What we are going to unbox today are going to be some lights from Neewer. It's called the brand. It should be two in the same package and pretty much that's about it. Nice box, easy to unbox obviously. This is one unit and the way it works, let me take it out, should be quite simple. We have the light itself, we have the controller, on and off, intensity up, intensity down, and obviously is powered by USB. So before buying this, make sure you have a way to adapt them USB wise. You should be having also some it's called like a gelatin whatever pad. Pretty much you can change this one to different colors, and we are going to check that a little bit later on when we're going to mount them. So as I was saying, in this box is two. You should be able to buy three in a package. You should be able to buy one if you just need one, but it really depends on you. Let's take the second one out. And we should be having something else here. The mounting system should be here. So this is like the mounting system. That's exactly how it works. Okay. Oh, right. Jesus, that's smart. That's very, very smart. Packaging wise, that is freaking amazing. So obviously you're gonna need some sort of legs in order to hold the position. So, Jesus, amazing. You open them, then you screw from this side. And surprise, surprise, you put it here. You screw them back in the other side. Man, this is, honestly, this is just smart. Okay, pretty much that's about it. Be honest with you, I was expecting a bit more size-wise. But the good part about them is that if you have different legs, you are able to just screw them wherever you want. So that's another benefit. You know what? Let me do like this. And they're screwed in place. That's how it looks. Quite nifty. Or a second option, if you want to have some more control on it, you have this adapter. Now this adapter is quite smart, I must say. Goes like this, up and down. Let's unscrew it. Let's mount the adapter like this. And let me go ahead and mount the light. Now, very interesting with the light, you'll see in a second. Obviously, you're not gonna twist around the whole system, yeah? You have like a wheel here, and that's just gonna spin it inside. See the wheel? Up, down. So smart. There you have it. Then, set up the position, whatever position you wanna have. Lock it. That's it. Voila. And obviously, as I was saying, you will be able to turn them off and on, the intensity up and down from here. I think the gelatin pans for the colors, you have to buy them. Oh no, they're here. Smashing. So the pads themselves are to change the color if you want different colors to use. Very interesting. And you have two of each color. So you can have the same light if you want on both of them. There are only three colors, but from these three colors you can create different other colors. As an example, you can make orange by combining yellow and red. Take this one out and we can put this one, or let's see if they're gonna fit on top of it. Which, to be honest, I don't think so, but let's try. Oh, you can actually. Oh, bad. What is this? Oh, Jesus. That's nice. It's like a protection. Right, so that's like a protection. I'm just gonna put it back. Interesting. So you have laminate protection until you're actually going to use it. And I think all of them, they have it. Yeah, it's on all of them. Let's see, can we fit one? Yes, we could. Totally recommend you to keep the first one, so the light is just gonna be more diffused, more dimmed all around. But yeah, pretty much this is it. Obviously we have a second leg in here, same system, so you can mount it on the second light. And we're going to test them out right now.